This riff begins on the 10th fret of the B string and hammer on to the 13th fret of the B string. Then we move up to the E string and we're using the same frets, hammer on from the 10th fret to the 13th fret and then pull off again back to the 10th fret. Like that. So altogether so far we have then we move our ring finger to the 13th fret of the B string and then our first finger back to the 10th fret of the E string. So altogether that first phrase is and that is the motif that we'll return to throughout this riff. The only thing that changes from here on in is the bending. So the first time through we have, then we bend the 13th fret of the high E string up one full tone, back down, then we play the 12th fret of the E string. So far we have, then we play the 13th fret of the B string with our ring finger and back to the 10th fret of the high E string. So our entire first phrase played slowly is the start of our second phrase features that lick from the start of the first phrase. Then we go up to the 15th fret of the high E string and bend it up a whole tone to the 17th fret. Then back down to the 15th fret and then the 12th fret of the high E. So far that is. Then we play the 13th fret of the B string and then up to the 15th fret of the B string. So that whole bending part of the lick would be and that whole second part of the phrase would be At this point we would repeat the first phrase again, then we would start the second phrase the same way, but on the very last note, instead of going up to the 15th fret like we normally would, we just bend our 13th fret up half a tone, or one fret. So that final part of the phrase will be for this one, use your neck pickup, and I've also added for my version some distortion and quite a large amount of reverb to get this kind of tone. To give it that kind of epic lead sound. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.